Let no man despise the youth, but be an example of the believers, in word, in conduct, in love, in spirit, in faith, in purity. 1 Timothy chapter 4, verse 12. Apostle Paul encouraged Timothy, or rather challenges Timothy, to live like an example in a godly manner. We are called to live a manner that reflects God's love, and it should be shown in our word, in our conduct, and in our purity, just as Jesus Christ lived in this earth. And we are encouraged to inspire and encourage others in our journey of faith to Jesus Christ.